Hello everyone. Now I am going to say regarding history of English literature. In a nutshell, history of English literature is divided into 8 parts. So history of English literature को 8टा वार्ड रे विभक्त करा जायछि. So first one is the old English period, or you can say the Anglo-Saxon period. The Anglo-Saxon period, and this period is from 450 to 1066. Okay, so history of English literature is divided into 8 parts, and the first one is the Old English period, or you can say the Anglo-Saxon period. Then the second one is the Middle English period. The Middle English period, and this period is from 1066 to 1500. This one the second, and that is the English Middle English period, and this is from 1066 to 1500, and this one is further divided into 3 parts, that is the Anglo-Norman period, the Anglo-Norman period, that is from 1066 to 1340. Then the age of Chaucer, that is from 1340 to 1400. The age of Barren or Dark Age, that is from 1400 to 1500. Clear? This is the Middle English period, and it is divided into also 3 parts, that is the Anglo-Norman period, the age of Chaucer, and the age of Barren or Dark Age. Then third one is the Renaissance period. The Renaissance period, and it is from 1500 to 1660. It is also divided into 4 parts. First one is the most important, that is Elizabethan age. This is from 1558 to 1603. Second one is Jacobean age. This is from 1603 to 1625. Third one is Caroline age, and this is from 1625 to 1649. And last one is Commonwealth period, and that is from 1649 to 1660. Okay, this is the third period, that is the Renaissance period, and it is also divided into 4 parts, that is Elizabethan age, Jacobean age, Caroline age, and Commonwealth period. Then the Neoclassical period. The Neoclassical period, and this is from 1660 to 1785. Further, it is divided as into three parts, that is the Restoration period, that is from 1660 to 1700, the Augustan age, and you can also say the age of Pope. The Augustan age is also known as the age of Pope. It is from 1700 to 1745. And the last one is the age of sensibility. The age of sensibility, or you can say the age of junction. Okay, so the age of sensibility is also called as the age of junction, that is from 1745 to 1785. Is that clear? And now fourth one is the Romantic period. The Romantic period, that is from 1798 to 1832. Then fifth one is the Victorian period. The Victorian period, that is from 1830 to 1901. And the Victorian period is of two types, is also divided into two parts, that is the Pre-Raphaelite, that is from 1848 to 1860. Then Aestheticism and Descendants. Aestheticism, TISM, and Decadence, that is from 1880 to 1901. Then the Modern period. This is from 1901 to 1939. Also, it is divided into two parts, that is the Edwardian period. This is from 1901 to 1910. Another one is the Georgian period. Georgian period, that is from 1910 to 1936. Last one is the postmodern period. The postmodern period. So the history of English literature is of 8 types, is divided into 8 types. The first one is the Old English period, or you can say the Anglo-Saxon period. Second one is the Middle English period, and it is divided into 3 parts, that is the Anglo-Norman period. This is from 1066 to 1340. The Age of Chaucer, that is 1340 to 1400. The Age of Barren, or you can say Dark Age, that is 1400 to 1500. Third one is the Renaissance period. It is from 1500 to 1660, and the Renaissance period is of 4 types, that is Elizabethan age. This is from 1558 to 1603. Jacobean age, that is 1603 from 1603 to 1625. Then Caroline age, that is 1625 to 1649. Commonwealth period, that is 1649 to 1660. Then fourth one is the neoclassical period. This is from 1660 to 1785. It is of three types, that is the Restoration period, the Augustan age, or you can say the age of Pope. Third one is the age of sensibility or the age of Johnson. Fifth one is the Romantic period. This is from 1798 to 1832. Then the Victorian period. It is from 1830 to 1901, and it is also of two types. It is divided into two types, that is the Pre-Raphaelites. This is from 1848 to 1860. Then Aestheticism and Decadence, that is 1880 to 1901. Then the Modern period. This is from 1901 to 1939. It is also divided into two types, that is the Edwardian period, that is 1901 to 1910, the Georgian period, that is 1910 to 1936. Then last one is the postmodern period. So it is the basic of history of English literature. So before going through history of English literature, you have go through this period, and you have to very sure that you are going to cover of this period. So this channel is all about the history of English literature, not only the history of English literature but also some varieties questions of English literature that you can practice for your SSB English lectureship exam and NET exam also. So if you are liking my channel, then just subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.